We recently had a therapist, someone highly respected, but also highly critical and skeptical, challenge us. He said, "Jen and Sarah, there is no way that a simple hair test, HTMA, hair tissue mineral analysis, is a valid or science-backed way to accurately diagnose trauma." And truth be told, this was a great point because he was right. However, he was right for the wrong reasons, and here's why. You see, HTMA doesn't diagnose trauma or anything else for that matter. Nope, that is not what it's intended to do, nor where its power lie. Its real power is in showing us something much deeper, much more profound, and that is how a person's body has physically adapted at the biological and cellular level to survive that trauma, and exactly where and how the chronic survival stress has pushed their body, mind, their nervous system beyond limits and capacity, leading to chronic physiological and psychological dysfunction that then ripples into their health and all aspects of their life. In this video, I'm going to highlight how we here at Wellness Code Academy use and teach HTMA through a very unique trauma-informed transformational coaching lens to help read and assess the body's imprinted history of chronic survival stress and how it changes the entire conversation that we have about healing with ourselves, because first and foremost, we need to be our own best self-healers so that we can lead our clients to do the same, but more importantly, with our clients in such a way that it leads to them taking ownership of their journey and cultivating deep, sustainable healing and breakthroughs in their life. I'm Jennifer Ellis Schutz, chronic illness and complex PTSD warrior, founder of Wellness Code Academy, and you're watching the Wellness Code Academy channel. Let's dive in. So here's the deal. Think of your body as a meticulous recorder, and different tests or assessments tell us different parts of the story, right? For instance, blood tests show us what's happening right now in real time. They are snapshots. Whereas urine and stool tests show us what the body is getting rid of. Hair, on the other hand, is a long-term data recorder. As hair grows, minerals from inside of our cells deposit into the hair shafts. And this data gives us a picture of what the body has been exposed to and how it's been functioning over the past several months. But more importantly, it is also a mirror of one's lived experiences physically, mentally, and emotionally. And this is a key distinction that many people miss and or misunderstand. You see, minerals are not just static nutrients that we get from food or by taking supplements. No, they are active regulators and indicators of the nervous system and the body's response to stress over the long haul. You see, chronic stress and trauma fundamentally change how our body uses, absorbs, distributes, and loses these critical energy catalyzing nutrients. By the way, minerals are also known as the spark plugs of the cell. So when we look at HTMA through a very trauma-informed, trauma-skilled, and transformational coaching lens, we aren't just looking for deficiencies or imbalances. No, more importantly, we are reading patterns of survival stress adaptation. We can see how the nervous system has been responding to long-term stress. We can see how the body has been trying to protect itself, say through armoring, contracting, going silent, playing small, and all of the various ways that we humans respond to unresolved trauma. We can see where energy production has slowed way down, and we can get a really good sense for how long the system has likely been underneath a really heavy load, which can then trigger something known as chronic cell danger response mode, which that is an entirely different topic for another day, but we've done some really great videos on that topic. If you would like to learn more about it, be sure to check out our video library. Anyway, when the body is in a chronic state of survival stress, it makes really strategic decisions. First, it will shift minerals to fuel the fight or flight response. And as it starts burning through essential minerals like magnesium and zinc much faster, other minerals get thrown out of balance. And to protect vital organs, it might lock minerals such as calcium into our tissues where they don't belong. And this creates something known as a calcium shell, which is highly linked to thyroid dysfunction and conditions like fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue syndrome and many others. And finally, to conserve resources, it downregulates overall energy production. And this circles back to that concept of chronic cell danger response that I just mentioned. So essentially, the body puts a person in low power mode to survive the survival stress until it hopefully passes. And HTMA shows us the footprint of these survival strategies. And understanding these patterns is an utter game changer for the healing path. Why? Well, because the value isn't saying, see, I told you there was trauma, and now we're using HTMA to diagnose it. No. The value is being able to connect a person's physical, mental, and emotional symptoms to their lived experiences. It allows us now to have real, deep, meaningful conversations with ourselves, because again, we need to be our own best self healers first so that we can lead our clients. But then with our clients, we can finally connect the dots and bridge the gap between how they feel and what's happening in their body and in their lives. So instead of just prescribing more supplements and creating these meticulous, cutting-edge, prescriptive healing plans and protocols, we can start coaching our clients transformationally towards real, deep, sustainable healing and breakthroughs in their lives within the context of their unique life journey. This is about moving beyond protocols and into true, holistic, client-centered, trauma-informed, transformational, empowerment-based, and I could go on and on here, healing. It's a way of looking at the body and healing in a whole new light. And if this truly holistic, trauma-informed approach to HTMA resonates with you, and you're a practitioner seeking to level up your personal wellness and your coaching practice, I have an amazing invitation for you. We go deep into this framework within our live 5-day challenge, Breakthroughs Beyond Protocols. It's where we teach you how to read these patterns and create amazing results for yourself, your clients, and your coaching practice. To learn more and join the next run of our challenge, you can use the link in the video information below. Anyway, it's an incredible opportunity and learning experience to level up personally and professionally and create way better results for your clients and your overall coaching business. We really hope to see you on the inside. That's a wrap for this video. Until next time, cheers to your healing, resilience, and success.